What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another build breakdown. Once again, we are doing a different style with this one because we're actually going to be bringing the client, the owner, into this so you can talk with him and get some interaction on the backstory on the build. But right behind me, got the homie Blake's 1990 Chevy Silverado, or also known as a Chevy OBS, all right? And also known Orle Tecuache, okay? So got Blake right here, all right? So we're gonna just give you a little overview of the truck right here. 1990 single cab Chevy Silverado, which already has, you know, paint and wheels done to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and let Blake introduce himself and tell you a little bit more about it.
How you doing? I'm Blake. Like Steve said, this is my 1990 OBS Chevy. Picked this up probably about, I want to say close to about a year ago, maybe a year and a month ago. I used to, a little back history, I guess I used to hate these styles of truck. I hated the two doors, and then one day I saw one that was kind of done up, and it looked just very proper and everything, and I fell in love with it. Found one off of, I think it was OfferUp. It was a blank canvas to me. It was something I felt like I could build on, and I ended up getting it. I got some spray paint and painted the outside. I put the wheels and tires, brought to you by Amazon, and then fucking the Cooper GoPros. And then, yeah, you know, just a little putting lipstick on a pig kind of thing until I felt like I could get it right, and that was it.
All right, so as you may ask, why are we doing a build breakdown on this? As you guys are all familiar with, the LS motor. This stock motor in this was a 350 small block, probably made a good 230, maybe 220 horsepower on it. Let me show you it real quick. Yeah, get that Chevy tap, Chevy tap, Chevy tap. Chevy tap, there you go. All right, so as you can see, he already going on this thing. I mean, I'm low-key a little jealous because on my Tahoe, I would love to have these chrome fenders. So during the build, he may lose these and I got end up with my car. But anyway, this is the 1990 350 small block, clean, great motor, but for what we're doing, not gonna be as reliable as the LS. You know, he wants something a little bit more reliable, you know, something a little bit more fun, turnkey. So what are we doing? We are adding the 2005 Chevy 5.3 motor, which we will be doing a cam and then doing a freshen up kit, valve springs, retainers, all the seals, new water pump, and then we are going to run the Holley performance pulley package on it. So it'll be water pump, alternator, AC, basically all the drive assembly, to have the whole engine bay cleaned up. The end game for this is, as you see, everything kind of scattered throughout the motor, is to clean this all up, and basically the focal point will just be the motor with a clean, shaven firewall and engine bay. All right, let's go check out some other products we are installing. So, when Blake first told me, I said, we're building this build, what do you want to do? What was your exact words?
I want to drop it, and I want to do some ignorant shit with it.
So, to be able to fulfill his dreams, we hit up Little Shop MFG, and they supplied us with the full air ride setup. These are all hand-built parts. That's upper, lower control arms, and then basically all of the shock and control arm mounts on the frame now will be blown off, and everything will be custom and welded on. And then it's gonna have a triangulated four link for the rear, which as you can see is right here. So this will be able to have this thing laying on the ground. So laying on the ground, what size wheels will we be tucking? I'm gonna let my man talk to you.
So very specifically, I told him I wanted to put probably the biggest thing we could fit and be able to tuck it away and still be able to lay frame on this thing. So we ended up deciding on 24-inch Forgiatos. I believe we're gonna try to go 14 in the width. We'll try to fit it. We may have to settle between 12, 12 and a half, but we're gonna put as much as we can into it, so yeah.
Now continuing on, to help him stop them 24s, we got Willwood 6-piston brakes up front, 4 pistons in the rear, drop spindles, new hubs. So basically suspension-wise, this whole thing will be brand new. As you see, this bed will not look like this for long. Truck actually, for surprising me, is really clean, you know? Had a bed cover in this thing, and shockingly, the bed is actually still whole. Hasn't been beat to shit. But we're also doing a color change on this. I keep forgetting that. Interior, stereo.
Did we reveal the color for the people, or are we gonna wait on that?
Nah, you gotta wait. You gotta wait.
Okay.
Maybe on like episode 4 or 5, you know, we'll pop that out. You know, that hot pink, you know, they ain't ready for it. They ain't ready for it. All right. So coming back to the backside over here, just kind of last few things I wanted to talk about. We actually were just talking about, because I told them basically in all these older Chevys, this is kind of like iconic for the earlier OBS, because like on the 95s and up, I don't believe they had them, or 96 and up, they didn't have them. So trying to convince him to leave this, but obviously keep it in like a polished, just kind of accent the build. And then for damn sure, we leaving this fucking bottle opener, all right? That's even a Chevrolet bottle opener right there. But you know, we're gonna get rid of the rear bumper, put a roll pan, the whole front end is gonna get updated to a 96 front end, grill, headlights, and then we're gonna do a cowl induction hood. I think I'm forgetting a few things, but if not,
I feel like we should take a poll on this with the people.
Yeah, let the people decide. I mean, he'd like to go shaven, smooth,
but move it into a different area. So potentially take this off and put it in the bed, or put it somewhere flat if we can figure it out. Steve wants to keep it.
I'm fucking with the Taquache style. All right, order that Taquache. I want this shit right here, and polished though to match the wheels. So, but we got some time on us, so we're okay. But that's pretty much about it, man. I'm looking forward to get this thing cracking.
I don't think you have any idea how excited I am. It's been a long time coming.
Shit. My guys are, more so Vlad, he's ready to fucking get this shit busted down.
Every day I get a text. Every day.
Shit, all right.
Press a button, my gun drops down, you know what I mean?
Listen.
Listen.
We don't do that type of stuff, man.
No, not here.
Nah, you have the wrong shop. This is all legal.
This isn't GTA 5 Customs?
Who the fuck said that shit? I look like some dude from GTA 5 yesterday.
Oh, you look like Clinton, dog.
Yeah?
Or is it Clinton?
I don't know who the fuck that is.
I never played it.
You never played GTA?
Nah.
Oh, bro, that's what made me love this truck.
No, fuck, I don't play them games, dog, you know?
I feel like he could be Martin Lawrence's brother.
Dog, get the fuck out of here, man. Come on. Just because my last name's Martin, hell no. Hell no. No disrespect. But, you know,
Just gotta find Will Smith.
What? Nah, I don't know. Thank you. I think we pretty much went over everything that I can remember. I know there's gonna be some stuff that's gonna pop up.
Always. I think there's still gonna be stuff we're gonna have to add to it.
Yeah, dog. I mean, like another 100K. Shit.
What?
Hey, what? But yeah, fucking hopefully mid next week we start, and next week this thing will be stripped down, ass naked, and then that's it.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Sounds like I'll be here Friday.
Hey, you come Friday, you better bring a nice little bottle.
Oh, absolutely.
That's it, all right?
They got Black
Nice
Label. My man likes Black Label. Anything that's a whiskey.
Yep,
Don't bring no Ciroc. He will clown you.
yep.
A little bit of tequila, right? A little bit.
You didn't like the
Yeah.
peanut butter whiskey I
Mezcal.
brought you.
Oh, yeah. That peanut butter whiskey was trash.
Oh yeah, no,
Too sweet.
I've had that.
It was
Nasty.
too sweet. That's like
Nasty.
the fucking honey jack
I
shit.
was on that one for a couple months actually.
The peanut butter one?
Yeah.
It's a young thing.
Screwball, but
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Oh, that's it. That's the one I had with Screwball. Yeah,
Yeah,
peanut
yeah.
butter whiskey.
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm with it.
Let's get it. All right. That's it. One take, baby.
Shoo!